Giant frames move with measured precision. Heavy modules cross the floor in silence. Unfinished bodies glide through ordered steel. Limb racks enter the bright central lane. Steel joints turn under coarse light. Forearm tubes rotate with steady control. Knee housings turn against a fixed surface. Wrist collars rotate through oily shadow. Spine plates turn with metallic calm. Hip sockets rotate beneath hard light. Neck rings turn with perfect balance. Elbow casings rotate inside shallow steel. Chest plates turn over padded metal. Ankle couplings rotate in dark grease. Finger shells turn with delicate control. Waist bearings rotate inside a steel recess. Palm frames turn beneath abrasive pressure. Calf housings rotate on low steel. Kneecaps turn with polished restraint. Shoulder pins rotate across a dark nest. Servo rings turn through worn metal. Curved brackets rotate beneath amber light. Servo drums turn beside the opening lane. Joint rings rotate near brighter steel. Metal sleeves turn beside open steel. Rail couplers turn near brighter depth. Elbow modules move in a straight line. Actuator blocks advance through open space. End frames move across the carrier bed. Leg segments advance beneath even light.
Socket assemblies move between low guides.
Spine units advance across silent rollers. Hip modules move toward the distant gate. Chest shells advance into bright order. Joint rows move along centered steel. Bracket sets advance across the floor. Neck columns move past the open rail. Rib panels advance into wider space. Motor frames move along the silver lane. Wrist hubs advance beneath a cold grid. Palm bases move through the divider track. Calf shells advance along muted blue steel. Side plates move past the low fence. Bearing packs advance through the machine gap. Torso pallets move toward the chamber. Limb clusters advance into deeper light. Torso frames move beneath lower steel. Joint assemblies move toward darker depth. Torso halves close with heavy precision. Leg housings tighten around the joint. Frame collars close over the spine. Brackets tighten around the actuator hub. Ring segments close against the frame. Forearm shells tighten around the column. Back plates close over white structure. The assemblies tighten around the hinge. Neck housings close onto the column. Ankle frames tighten around the joint. Side ribs close against the shell. Arm shells tighten around the core. Armor shells close over rigid support. Calf frames tighten around dense machinery. Waist segments close against the shaft. Thigh shells tighten around the joint. Shoulder shells close over the coupling. Hip housings tighten around the chamber. Spine rails close against the frame. Thigh shells tighten around the joint. Casing halves close over the motor sleeve. Chest ribs tighten onto the torso. Body forms close beside finer metal. Upper torsos tighten near pale silver. Sensor domes turn with glassy stillness. Base shells rotate above black precision. Finger joints turn in tiny alignment. Cap rings rotate inside shallow silver. Palm plates turn over narrow steel.
Sensor housings rotate beneath soft light.
Cheek panels turn on dark support.
Thumb collars rotate inside fine metal. Brown shells turn over black steel. Jaw plates rotate with centered balance. Fingertip shells turn with delicate polish. Side panels rotate inside pale metal. Neck caps turn on a low stand.
And covers rotate over black precision. Bezel rings turn inside recessed silver.
Knuckle shells rotate on a fine tip. Visor covers turn with smooth control. Palm collars rotate within narrow steel. Units turn beside bright depth. Hand modules rotate above reflective steel. Here, in the finishing zone, the polished shoulder caps rotate with controlled precision towards the distant brightness. Neck collars rotate above bright steel. Completed frames move through white distance. Polished lines stream across reflective metal. Suspended bodies move beneath repeating light. Unit columns stream through graphite order. Leg assemblies move past open depth. Upright shells stream along mirrored floor. Body rows move between even arches. Robot units stream toward the gate. Silver pairs move across bright floor. Full frames stream through calm steel. Completed forms move under long light. Parallel rows stream through spacious order. Humanoid silhouettes move along dark graphite. Sealed bodies stream across bright reflection. Production rows move beneath fixed lights. Completed robots stream through clean depth. Polished lines move across open floor. Upright ranks stream toward white distance. Body columns move between tall frames. Robot formations stream through still air. completed units move into wider light. Polished rows stream toward open depth. Upright units advance through calm depth. Polished rows move across steel gray. Humanoid ranks advance toward bright distance. Final columns move into silent space.